Hey, welcome to this video. This is a GeGe lock. That's the bidding on the key. This lock was sent to me by Bryan, also known as Slim Pickens. Thank you very much, Bryan. I managed to pick it open just a few moments ago. Yes, and I try to repeat that now on camera. So it's a very restricted keyway, but tensioning is very comfortable, as you can see. So let's just zoom in a little bit more, like that. So try to find my way with the pick around that narrow curve here, that narrow corner. I don't think that there are many security pins in that lock, so feedback is not so good. So I have to be patient. If there are with other locks, when there are spools in it, you don't have to be patient because you always get feedback when you touch a pin. You set a pin, then you set the standard pin, you get false set, you pick the spools, you lose your false set, and so on and so forth. You always have feedback. But with that lock, feedback is rare. What I do is I try to touch every pin a little bit and see if the core turns a little bit more, or if I get any kind of feedback. But all pins are springy, still springy. I apply moderate tension here, and the problem is that I do not really get good access to the pins. I have to turn around that corner. I would try to change to a different hook. I use this one now. Although I picked it open before with the Sparrow's hook. I'm really looking forward for the gutting. Oh, it's open. Wow, I didn't expect it. Cool. It's 3:30. Great. Okay, now let's see if we can gut that thing. All right. Ooh. Okay. Oh shit! It's the long end. Okay. So let me check. Where are the tools? So, okay, that works. Now I have to remove the clip. Okay, take a screwdriver, take another one, see if I can get away the clip. This nose is just in the way. So finally I got the clip off, but to be honest, after many attempts to get it away, I took a saw and cut it into pieces because I wasn't able to remove it without destruction. So sorry for that, Bryan, but I'm so curious to see what pins there are. What pins are in this lock. So now I try to pull the plug out. Zoom out a little bit, so. Okay. And wanna go. Alright, so next problem. No real problem. Okay. Yeah, so here's the plug. Okay. Let's have a look at the plug. It's a 5-pin, just a 5-pin lock, okay. Here are the pins. Very nice pins, but all standard. Now let's look at the Bible. What pins we find here. Pin number 5. Pin number 4. These are serrated ones, as you can see. Three. 2 and 1. Come on. Okay, all serrated. Very nice serrated ones. Okay, I'll make just a short break and arrange everything for you nicely to look at. Hold on. Alright, back again. Here you see the pinning. The key pins are all standard pins, nothing special there. But the driver pins are quite interesting. So all driver pins look the same. They have 2 grooves, so there are, we can say, either serrated ones or small double spools. And maybe that's the reason why I thought there might be spools in the lock when I picked it the first time. Alright. And we have nice steel springs. They seem to be a little bit longer than standard springs. Let's have a look at the plug. All the chambers are smooth, nothing special there. Then let's have a look at the Bible, the chambers in the Bible. Try to find my flashlight. So also nothing special here. All chambers are smooth. But you have actually 6 places, so 6 chambers are prepared in the Bible. So we could possibly upgrade this lock to make it even more a challenge. But unfortunately one chamber is missing here in the plug. So could be 6 pins, is just 5 pin, but nonetheless a challenge to pick. And Bryan, Slim Pickens, thank you very much for sending me this luck, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.